everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Chanel unboxing for you. I ordered some stuff and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it. I have not opened it as of yet. I'm gonna open it. Here we go. Don't mind my hair, I barely have makeup on. It's been a rough day. Here we go, Chanel, and the beautiful Beauty Chanel box and receipt. So let's get into it and see. I don't even remember what I ordered. So I put it down here and they put a nice little sticker here. I have so many unboxings coming up, you guys. It's just crazy. Oh yes, okay. So wait, I have a Rouge Allure Velvet in Beige Ardent and the Rouge Coco Bloom in Radiant, and one is definitely bigger than the other one. And I think this one, the Rouge Allure Velvet, is a limited edition. Yes, it's a limited edition that's still available, and it has the lion on it, if you can see. And this is the packaging. Actually, it was open. Okay, beautiful packaging, and there you go. It has the Chanel embossing on it, and this is in the Beige Ardent. So let's do a swatch right here. Oh, so let's see. It's very smooth. It looks like it needs a couple of passes, but it's definitely a color I would use. Let's put it on because I don't have anything on. It's very creamy. It's like a mauve red. Definitely very creamy. I honestly bought it because of the packaging and being limited edition. There you go, the lion's head. And then the next one is the Rouge Coco Bloom number 118. This is one of the new ones, and I saw it in actually Macy's, and they didn't have the collection out, so I just ordered it from the Chanel website. And that's what it looks like. And you can actually see the color through there. It looks really nice. And this is Radiant. Radiant. Right there. It's another color that really speaks to me. And it kind of looks similar to the one I just swatched. One is more red and one is more of a brownish color. I have other lipsticks in this collection, and they are definitely long lasting. And the last thing I got here, I think it's a blush, I think. I love Chanel's makeup. One, because it doesn't break me out. I have no breakouts, and my skin is very sensitive. And easily breaks out. As a matter of fact, the Chanel foundation many years ago was the very first foundation that did not break me out. And I got the Jouer Contraste powder blush in 320 Rouge Profonde, and I want to say this is the new formula, and a lot of people are complaining about the new formula. So far I have not run into any issues. And here we go. It's very beautiful. Most of the blushes that I have from Chanel are pinky tone. This is more of a reddish mauve tone. And I actually have one of their new, I think it's called like a crayon or something like that. So it's definitely very silky. It has like a bubble to it in form, and that's the color. Very nice. And there you go. Very soft and silky. And it has the normal Chanel perfume fragrance smell, but once you put it on your skin, you don't smell it. It's a very beautiful color, definitely for my skin tone. Very beautiful. So those are the 3 items that I got from the Chanel, the 2 lipsticks and the blush, which I love their blushes. I'm definitely getting a big blush collection. I might do a video if anybody's interested in watching. Not that anybody's watching my videos as of yet, but that's okay. I enjoy them. And the 2 free items that I picked was the Coco Mademoiselle perfume and the Sublimage, I think. Did I? No. The La Mousse Chanel cleansing cream to foam. And that is what I got in my Chanel haul. Thank you so much, you guys. I hope you're having a marvelous day. As always, stay safe out there. Give my video a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you are interested in my content. I have boxes and boxes and boxes to unbox. I definitely have the new Pat McGrath blushes. I picked up 4. And I have the ColourPop Barbie collection, which I'm a little upset over that because I ordered it day 1, like literally had my finger on the button when it first came out, and I just received it today. And today's the 27th, I think. Yeah, the 27th. Like, ColourPop, I don't mind ordering from them, but it takes forever. On my cheeks, I have a Laura Mercier blush. I have a Chanel foundation, and I have the Le Crayon color stick. So again, thank you so much, you guys. You have a wonderful, awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!